Welcome to this class, and this is our first project, so let's take it very serious. And the first thing we are going to do is to open our Pixel Lab application, which is the software we'll be using. Now, when you open your Pixel Lab, you will see the blank and space. So delete the normal text. If you have a text on your own already, you delete it, and then you just check through the tools. These are the tools I will be using in Pixel Lab. Now, these are the tools. Then we import our picture, that image. We import it, and we'll be using the image. Can you see now? Then we import it. Then increase the size. Can increase the size just to suit it. You increase the size just to ensure, and you can also use the direction button too, which is the position. You can also use the position, like now. You can also use the position just to move it. Just to move it. Can you see? Just to move it. And also, this is the central and relative position. Maybe you want it to be at the central, so you use the position button to move it to the left or to the right. And then the next thing for us to do now is to change the background. We work on the background, and these two shapes will be used, and then the gradient, the color. So we are using the gradient for this practical. So I think this gradient is not working well. Then you can tap on this plus sign to change the color to the kind of one that can suit it the best. Change the color here. Can you see? Then tap on one of them, then just to change the color of the background. Now we'll be using the color of that radio, something like the color of this radio. That's what we'll be using. We pick the color, then let's try to get the color. Let's try to get the so these dark colors around it, and we will try to change it. It seems it's not working well, so we try to change it, those dark colors, using your hand to change just to suit the color of that radio. Just to suit the color of that radio. Just to see the color of the radio. Can you see? Now we are getting it. I think this is okay now. This is okay. Let's try to make it more lighter. Now you can lock the image to avoid our hand from touching it. Then the next thing we'll be doing now, let's try to move this a little bit. Then the next thing we'll be doing now is to get our text, the words, and the aspect of typography. So this A you can see here, then new text, then we type whatever I want to type. Let's type new week, new week, new blessings. New blessings. Just try to increase the size. Then we add the fonts. Scroll down to get another font. I think this is okay. Now, once we are done with that, just make sure it's staying well. Just make sure it's standing well. Try to move it. And then we need to reduce this, but let's wait. I think we need to reduce this a little bit, the size. And then the next thing to do now is we add the name of our social media handle. The name of our social media handle, like mine, Mavid Graphics. Just try to expand it, and then the position. Or let me change it. Let me use my name, Marvelous Adesola. Yeah, we're good to go. Yeah. Now, just make sure it is well aligned. Then we will import our icon, the social media icon. We're going to import it. Facebook and Instagram, just crop it out. Then change the color to white. So we are using white. We are not using more than 2 colors. White, and reduce the size. To make sure it is well aligned. It is straight. Then you can reduce that, and to make it move more slower, yes. And now another thing you can add is our logo. You can add our logo. But before that, let's put small text. New beginning blessings for you all. For you all. Look for another font that you can use. Yeah. For you all, then you can expand. Just reduce the size and then put it. For you all. Or let's try this place. No, it's not working. It's not balanced. Then let's return it. Yeah. Now you can now put a logo. If you have a logo, you can now put it. Have a logo. And I'll put our logo. Our logo. No, not here. No. Just place it at the left side. Then write Mavic graphics. Reduce the size. Then you can expand just to make a spacing. Then reduce the size a little bit. Then put it in front of the logo. Yeah, I think it's okay now. Then what's else? Once you are done with your design, just check what else. Then let's just add a a watermark. We have to lock all this to avoid our hands touching it. Then once you put it like this, you tap to back. Then you reduce the opacity. Reduce opacity. Yeah. Reduce opacity. And then you have to lock it. And I think that's all. I think that will be all. There's nothing else. Then once you are done, you save your design. Save. And when you are saving, save it as Ultra. Then just to make it of a good quality, and in case you'll be printing it. Thank you.